English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 9.
I get up early every day.
You work out at the gym. My cat sometimes runs away. She eats out every Friday. Do you always turn up late? She chills out in the evening. They meet up on weekends. We check into the hotel. She stays in when she's tired.
He works out at the gym. I don't usually eat out in restaurants. She chills out on weekends. I get up at 6 in the morning. They check into the hotel. He meets up with his friends after work.
Meet up. Turn up. Grow up. Come up. Wake up. Stay up.
I work out every week. I worked out yesterday. I am working out right now. I will work out tomorrow.
I'm just chilling out right now. Don't run away from me. She stayed in last night. We met up last Thursday. She'll eat out next Saturday. She will eat out next Saturday. He turned up late to work yesterday.
One coffee, one tea.
Tea for me, please. And the coffees for Teresa.
Thanks, Paul. So, how was your day at work?
It was okay, but I think my boss was angry because I turned up late this morning.
Oh no, that happened to me too last week. I have to get up early most days, but I hate it. I was so tired at work today. I had a nice lunch in the park though. It's important to chill out, don't you think?
Yes, definitely. What are your plans for the weekend?
I enjoy working out, so I'll go to the gym. How about you?
I'm meeting up with some friends on Saturday and we'll eat out in the evening.
That sounds fun. I'm sure you'll have a great time.
I work out 3 times a week. It's nice to eat out. I often meet up with friends. He doesn't usually turn up late. Are you going to stay in tonight? She likes to chill out after work.
They are checking into the hotel. I usually chill out on weekends. We ate out last night. She's working out at the gym. We're going to meet up tomorrow. The bus has turned up.
End of Lesson 9.